Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 50 SE, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. It should be by default located in the main settings page like this one. So in here you want to scroll all the way down to System, which is the last option, and then somewhere at the bottom of the list you will find Reset options, and in here just simply select Reset All Data Factory Reset. This will give you a list of data that will be removed by this process. So most importantly, this list includes things like music, photos, and user data. Other things don't really matter as much. Now, if you have anything on your device that you don't want to actually delete, make a backup copy of it before you begin or go any further, basically. Now, assuming you have already created a copy or backup copy, or you just simply maybe don't want to, you can select Erase All Data. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I do have a pattern right here, so I'm going to quickly confirm that. And then you can select Erase All Data second time, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now, this process will take about 2 minutes to finish up, give or take a minute, and once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.